going to do a question from limits chapter. We can also say that it's a question from sequences and series. Okay, so we have P of n. P of n is pi from r from 3 to n. Okay, so this is our P of n. P of n is pi means product, r from 3 to n, r cube plus 3r. So let me take r common, so it will be r square into r square plus 3 whole square divided by denominator I have r power 6 minus 64. So r power 6 minus 64 I can write it as take it as a plus b into a minus b form, that is a square minus b square. So I can write r cube minus 2 cube, which is 8, into r cube plus 8. I hope it's clear. So numerator I have taken r common, so r into r square plus 3. Now I took r out from square, so I got r square into r square plus 3 whole square divided by denominator I just did a plus b into a minus b. Now next is pi r from 3 to n, r square into r square plus 3 whole square divided by, I am using a cube minus b cube form. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So I am using it here. So it will be r minus 2 into r square plus 2r plus 4 into, and I am using a cube plus b cube here. So it will be a plus b into a square minus ab, which is 2r plus 4. So this is what I have got. Okay. Now a small manipulation here. R square into, this is r square plus 3 whole square. So I am going to group this square term together. So r square I have written here, r minus 2 is there, and here r plus 2. Okay, into next pi r from 3 to n, I have r square plus 3 whole square divided by this r square plus 2r plus 4. I am doing completing the square, then I will get r plus 1 whole square plus 3 into, and r square minus 2r plus 4, this one. That also I am going to do completing the square. Then I will get r minus 1 whole square plus 3. So I hope this step is clear. I splitted the pi because pi ab is equal to pi a into pi b, or I can tell pi f of r into g of r is pi f of r into pi g of r. So I used that. That's why I splitted this pi product. Okay. Now what we can do is this pi r from 3 to n, r divided by, let me do the calculate the first pi here. Okay, r by r minus 2. Okay, this is r square by r square minus 4. Okay, I have this. Now I am going to just expand this product. So what will be the first one? 3 square by 3 square minus 4 into next one. One second. What we can do is this one, instead of doing like this, we can again split this. So it will be pi r by r minus 2 into pi r by r plus 2. Now expand this sigma, r from 3 to n, here also r from 3 to n. So what we will get? 3 by 1. Next 3 by 1 I got. Then I am substituting r equal to 4. 4 by 2. Next r equal to 5. So 5 by 3. Next 6. 6 by 4, etc. What I will get at the last? N by n minus 2. Previous term will be n minus 1 by n minus 3. And one more term if I write, it will be n minus 2 by n minus 4. So this is the first pi term. You can see that I can cancel like this. So this 5 will get cancelled, 6 also will get cancelled. And here you can see n minus 2 cancelled by this n minus 2. N minus 3 will get cancelled by previous term. N minus 4 will also get cancelled. So the first pi, if I expand, what is left? In numerator n minus 1 and n is left. Denominator 1 and 2 left. Into next one, similarly it will be 3 by 5, 4 by 6, then 5 by 7, etc. Here I have n by n plus 2, and here n minus 1 by n plus 1. So here 5 got cancelled, 6 will get cancelled, 7 will get cancelled, n minus 1 will get cancelled. Like that it will get cancelled, and n also will get cancelled. That's for sure. So that pi term, this pi term will be, what I got is n minus 1, n, then 3, then 4 divided by 1, 2, n plus 1 into n plus 2. So I got this. So this is my first pi. Now the next one. Now we are going to do this one. Okay. For that, you can see that numerator and denominator are having similar terms. So I can write that sigma, the second pi as r from 3 to n, r square plus 3 divided by r plus 1 all square plus 3 into pi r from 3 to n, r square plus 3 by r minus 1 all square plus 3. Now what to do? Just expand this, that time we will get the answer. So the second sigma, when I do, I will get 3 square plus 3 by 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square plus 3 into, now put r equal to 4. 4 square plus 3 by 5 square plus 3. You can see these two terms will cancel. Similarly, last term will be n square plus 3 by n plus 1 whole square plus 3. You can see denominator is cancelled by numerator of the next term. So denominator will get cancelled by numerator of the next term. And numerator is cancelled by denominator of the previous term. So numerator will get cancelled by previous term. So this is the first pi. Into next pi will be, similarly we will get the idea that this is 3 square plus 3 by 3 minus 1, 2 square plus 3. Next one will be 4 square plus 3 by 3 square plus 3, etc. n square plus 3 by n minus 1 whole square plus 3. Here also it will get cancelled like this. So numerator is cancelled by denominator of the next term, and denominator is cancelled by numerator of the previous term. So here also it will get cancelled. So what is left in the last product will be our final, the entire product will be p of n will be, here already we got n minus 1, n, 3, 4 by 1, 2, n plus 1 into n plus 2 into, from the next pi I will get 3 square plus 3 divided by n plus 1 whole square plus 3 into next pi I got n square plus 3 divided by 2 square plus 3. Now I need to apply limit. So I am going to write it here. Limit n tends to infinity of this. This is the final answer. And it is clear that degree of numerator is 2, 4. Degree of numerator will be 4 and degree of denominator will be 1, 1, again 4. So limit will be coefficient of n power 4 in numerator divided by coefficient of n power 4 in numerator by coefficient of n power 4 in denominator. So coefficient of n power 4 is 3, 4, 3 square plus 3 is 9 plus 3 12 divided by denominator it is 1 2, 1 into 2 into again 1 into 2 square is 4 plus 3 7. So this will be the answer. So what is this? 4 into 3 12, 12 into 12 144 by 7 into 2 14. So if I cancel by 2 I will get 72 by 7, which is 10 point something, 70 20 10.2 something. Okay, so what is multiple correct question? They are asking limit n tends to infinity p of n is lesser than option C and D. So that is the final answer.